DIY pest control using Demon WP and Taurus SC can cut recurring treatment costs significantly compared to hiring a pro, but upfront equipment and correct mixing matter more than people expect. For a homeowner using Demon WP and Taurus SC, expect Demon wettable powder packets to cost about $10 for 4 packets and to run roughly $5 worth of product per spray when treating common perimeters and entry points. Taurus suspension concentrate is about $60 per bottle and stretches far because you mix at a very low rate, so a single bottle can treat many applications over a season if stored and handled correctly. You will need a pump sprayer for liquid mixes and a hand duster or bulb duster for the wettable powder. A basic quality pump sprayer runs around $20 to $40 and a duster about $20 as well. So plan for an initial equipment outlay of roughly $40 to $60. Mixing accurately is critical, so measure by volume or weight and always add the concentrate to water rather than water to concentrate to avoid splashes and ensure proper dilution. Apply Taurus to foundation perimeters, under soffits, and around door thresholds using low pressure and overlapping slightly to form a residual barrier that lasts weeks in dry weather. Use Demon WP for cracks, voids, and soil band treatments where a dust or granular application is appropriate, and avoid over-application because waste adds cost and risks staining or runoff. Common mistakes include overmixing or using too much product, which wastes money and can increase health risks. Measure precisely with marked syringes or measuring cups and follow label rates to maintain low cost per application. Another issue is poor equipment choice or maintenance, which leads to uneven coverage and frequent reapplication. Buy a sturdy sprayer, clean it after every use, and replace worn seals to keep application rates consistent. Finally, application timing and site selection errors reduce effectiveness and force repeated treatments. Treat at appropriate temperatures, focus on entry points and harborage zones, and reapply only when label residual expectations have passed to maximize savings. We at BigHomeProjects.com connect homeowners with local contractors and a discussion community so you can compare experiences, ask about products, and get contractor quotes when you prefer professional service. Our site helps contractors find work by listing jobs and enabling direct conversations with homeowners and community members.